Hello students, yesterday we had covered some of the utility softwares. Here is a video regarding that. First utility software which was discussed yesterday is encryption and decryption tool. So what are encryption tools? These are the tools, or it is a process which converts the data into a code which is not understood by unauthorized users. Means if you want to send data to some person and you do not want any third party to take your data and understand it, so you can use encryption method. Here are some of the tools which are used for encrypting it. These are known as your encryption tools. Next comes decryption tools. What are decryption tools? These are the tools which help you in the process of converting a coded data into a readable form. Encryption is done by the user and decryption is done by the receiver. The person who receives your encoded data, he will decode it into the readable form so that he can understand the data. So it can be done in the following way. Here we see into this picture that original data, it is sent using an encrypted key and it is received by the receiver at the other end, and a decryption key is also sent along with it. Using the decryption key, the person will be able to generate the original data. Next we have disk defragmenter. What does disk defragmenter mean? This means that the memory which we use in a computer, it might be that some of the tasks they take some space and there is some space left in between unused. So when a memory chunk of appropriate size is not available, the operating system breaks or fragments the files, resulting slower processing of the system. So a disk defragmenter, it will scan the hard disk and those fragmented files, they all will be brought together, and in this way we can use disk defragmenter as a utility software. Next comes backup utility. Sometimes we are having a loss of data or our data is stolen. In order to have a backup of that, we use backup utility softwares. This utility is used to create the copy of the complete or partial data stored in disk or CD or on any other disk. In case of hard disk crash or some other system failure, the file which are lost or which are destroyed, they can be restored using the backup software. After this we have compression utility. What is compression utility? Sometimes we have files which are of longer size. We need to send it to some of the users. In order to send those longer files, it is difficult to send them as it is, so we will reduce their size by compressing them. So this utility is used to compress the large files. Compression is useful because it helps to reduce resources usage and the file transmission on the network, that becomes very easy. After that, next one is disk cleaner. What does disk cleaner do? This utility, it will scan the file that have not been accessed or is not used for longer time. Such files, they might be occupying huge amount of storage or memory into your system. So this disk cleaner, what it will do, it will give you a warning that there are some of the files which you are not using, you can delete them. So the user, he will delete the unnecessary files and the space of the memory that can be free. Now if the files are important, the user will take them as a backup and he will not be deleting them. Okay. After that, we will have the next one, that is a file management tool. What is file management tool? This is a utility that helps the user in storing, indexing, searching and sorting files in a particular order. Means to arrange your files and folders in your system, that is the work of file management tool. This is most commonly used tool for Windows Explorer and Google Desktop. So that was all which we have done today.